This program right here is taking someone who has literally zero experience with digital marketing, showing them how to set up their own online business, and teaching them how to start earning online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how they're able to do it and talk about the pros and cons of this business model, but most importantly, how you can do the same. So people are earning their first dollar online using a business model called Master Resale Rights, or MRR to keep it short. Now, if you don't know what Master Resale Rights is, it's a business model where you purchase a digital product one time, and now you own the rights to resell that product as your own. So you can actually start generating 100% profits by selling the same product over and over again. Now, this is a business model that's been around for a while, but usually when people think about master resale rights, they think about something like an ebook that you purchase for $5 or $10, and then you turn around and sell it for that same price. But the reason why this business model is blowing up like crazy these past few months is because somebody took the concept of master resale rights and they put a new spin on it. Someone created a training program showing people how to learn digital marketing, how to set up a sales funnel step by step, and how to build a personal brand. And this program actually comes with master resale rights attached to it. So this new method of master resale rights is a game changer. Some people are going through the training from this program and they're creating their own community and adding additional training to this course.
Nice.
Because one of the benefits of master resale rights is that you can rebrand this product as your own. And that's exactly how people are able to create their own communities, add additional training with their branding. And then there's other people who are going through this training program, taking the skills that they learned from it and selling their own products or services. Now, if you're someone who wants to get started earning online, even as a complete beginner, then this is the program you need to check out. Now, as you can expect, every business model has its pros and cons. But I wanted to talk about the pros and cons about this specific training program that comes with Master Resale Rights. And hopefully this video will give you a good insight to see if Master Resale Rights is a good fit for you. So starting with the pros, with Master Resale Rights, you earn 100% profit. Since this program comes with Master Resale Rights, that means you can purchase this product one time and then you can resell that same product over and over again. And since you own the rights to resell it, that means you keep 100% of the profits. This isn't something like affiliate marketing where you're promoting somebody else's product and you're earning a 20, 30, 40% commission. Learning digital marketing. So this program teaches you how to learn digital marketing that you can then apply to your own online business, whether you already have your products or services that you're selling. You can also make your money back with one sale. When you purchase this program, once you resell this program and make your first sale, you make your money back. And any sale after that is all profit. Now, if you are doing affiliate marketing where you're promoting a high ticket affiliate training program, those can easily go for $2,000 to $5,000. So with affiliate marketing, it's going to take you a few sales in order for you to make your money back through those programs. So let me move on to the next pro. So there's no upsells. This community prides itself on having no upsells ever. Once you pay for this program, you have full access to the community and the course. And any additional training that's added in the future, you're not going to get charged for. Now let me move on to the next pro, which is having a community. Now having a community is essential to becoming successful in any online business. If you're a complete beginner or if you've tried other business models before, it's important to have a community that you can reach out and actually get your questions answered. And this program comes with a very supportive and strong community. And there's a ton of support. Now, I already mentioned that there's a supportive community that comes with this program, but there's a lot more than that. Every week there's live Q&A calls that you can hop on and get your questions answered. And every Friday, there's something called Funnel Fridays. This is where you can hop on a live Q&A call and have your questions answered related to your sales funnel. Now, let me talk about the cons of this program. So there's no recurring revenue. Since this is a business model where people only pay one time, you're gonna have to find new customers in order to keep the revenue coming in. But this program teaches you enough to start marketing your own products or services. Now, another con of this program is you can't alter the original trainings. Now, one of the restrictions when it comes to Master Resale Rights is that you can't alter or change the original content, but you can, however, add your own additional content on top of that. So how can you earn with this program? So there's actually a few different ways you can make money with this program. You can learn from this program and recommend it to other people who want to learn digital marketing and leverage somebody else's community and their support that they created, which include weekly live Q&A and one-on-one calls. Or you can create your own community and add your own additional trainings and sell this program and have people come into your community. Or you can learn from this program, take the skills that you acquired from it, and apply it to your own online business. Now, I've been through a few different programs to learn digital marketing, and I honestly didn't think I was going to learn anything from this program. But I was honestly surprised that this program teaches you how to use tools that'll help you manage and stay organized in your business. For example, this program has a training showing you how to use Notion to stay organized. It shows you how to set up a stand store, which is like a mini website that's used for mobile devices. It also shows you how to use Calendly so people can schedule a one-on-one call with you that works on your schedule. And it also shows you a free website that you can use to create professional profile pictures for your social media. There's even a training in this program showing you how to create AI generated images using canva.com, which I didn't even know was a thing. And there's a whole lot more inside of this program. So if you're someone who wants to get started earning online, even as a complete beginner, click on the link below this video to get started. Now, if you want to learn more about what this program has to offer, then click right here.